So you just bought a brand new phone, or you want to go ahead and return this back to the store. What do you have to do in order for you to erase it and to give it back to the store or to sell it to somebody else, and all this information for it to be secure so nobody can go ahead and retrieve any of it? Well, the good thing about Apple, you can do exactly that. There's 2 steps that are required for you to do. Step number 1, go to Setting, go to your Apple ID. Inside the Apple ID, you're going to go where it says Find My or Find My Phone feature. Press on this once. Press on Find My Phone over here, and we are going to be turning this off. You have to go ahead and enter your password for this to actually work. So I'm going to be doing this right now. So make sure you have your Apple ID ready for this to actually work. So type in your password, press on Turn Off. So after you turn the Find My Phone feature off, the most important part is to erase all the information on your phone. To do this, all you have to do is to press Setting. Next thing, we're going to go all the way down where it says General. Press on General. Then we're going to go scroll down until we're going to see something that says Reset, and press on this. In the Reset, make sure you press on Erase All Content and Settings. It's going to ask if I want to finish uploading and then erase. How silly is that? I want to erase right now. Press on Erase right now. Type in your password. Type in your password once again. This is something very important. When you get to type in the password the second time, everything is going to get erased, all the information. So hopefully you have a backup of this on some other device, because otherwise everything is going to get wiped out. So let's go ahead and do this. Now it's going to tell me this will delete all media and data and reset all settings. If I'm going to be pressing the right button, this is all going to get wiped out. Make sure you really want to do this and say goodbye to this phone, especially if you're selling it or you haven't backed it up yet. It gives me one more chance, final chance, and this cannot be undone. Do I have anything I want to retrieve from this phone? This is my final chance. Let's press on Erase. And that's it. It's done. There's nothing I can do right now. All the information has been reset and erased right now.